How's it going, guys? This is John Timothy Gallardo, and today I will perform our experiment number 1 in Digital Electronics 2. It is entitled Digital Output. The objectives of this experiment are to learn how to create a project and build a project, to understand how the final code program to the microcontroller, and to create a simple code for controlling a LED. Now here are the materials needed for our experiment. For this experiment, we will use the MPLAB XIDE and MPLAB XIPE applications. We will use MPLAB XIDE to create the program and MPLAB XIPE to install the program. Now let's start. For the first part of our experiment, create a new project, select microchip embedded and standalone project. For the device, use PIC16F18875. Next, use XC8 as the compiler toolchain. Name the project Experiment 1. Then browse your desired target location for the project. Click Finish. After the loading is finished, click Tools, Embedded, then select MPLAB Code Configurator. Click Save. Then go to System Module. Under the port A4, click the output. After clicking, it should turn green. The above should turn yellow. Then go to Pin Module. Set the custom name to LED_D2 and uncheck the analog. Go back to the system module. The oscillator select should be H-pin TOSC. The HF internal clock should be 4 MHz. The clock divider should be 4. And the low voltage programming enabled should be checked. Then click Generate. After generation is complete, go back to project, select experiment 1, source files, then main C. For the first part, the LED is expected to lit for 250 milliseconds. For the code, type __delay_ms open parenthesis 250 close parenthesis semicolon, then LED_D2 _toggle open and close parenthesis and semicolon. After typing the code, click Build and wait for it until build successful. To install the program we create, we will use our PIC3, ICD2, IC, and USB cable. First, connect the PIC3 to the personal computer. Next, place the IC to the ICD2, then pull the lever down to lock the IC. Last is to connect the ICD2 to the PIC3. And now, we're all set. Now open the MPLAB XIPE to install the program. We can see that our PIC3 is recognized by the application. Check the IC and click Connect. Click OK. After connection is successful, go to Settings, Advanced Mode, enter the default password. Go to Power, set the voltage level to 3.125. Power target circuit from PIC3 should be checked. After that, go back to Operate and browse our hex file. It can be found to the folder of our project location. Now here's our hex file. After hex file loaded successfully, click Program. Now that programming is complete, we can now disconnect our PK3 to get our IC. Now let's create the circuit. Now here's the result. We can observe that the LED lights up for every 250 milliseconds just as we program. For the second part, the LED should be lit for every 2 seconds. We will just change the 250 to 2000 because 2 seconds is equivalent to 2000 milliseconds. After that, click build and wait until build successful. Click yes to overwrite the file. Now we will connect again the PK3 and IC-D2 with the IC to our personal computer to install the program. Click connect. OK. Then click program. It will overwrite the program in the IC. And now programming is complete. Click disconnect. Let us now place the IC to our previous circuit. Now here's the result. Now, the LED lights up for every 2 seconds just as we program. And that concludes our experiment number 1. See you guys next time. Goodbye.